What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an everyday cleaning routine for you guys. This is the mess that I clean on pretty much an everyday basis. So it's going to be a speed clean along with me. I would love for you guys to get up and tackle your mess as well. So I hope that this encourages and motivates you guys to get moving. First, I'm starting in my dining area because I have to get my table cleaned off. I also want to thank Alessimo for sponsoring this video. They sent my daughter an awesome project / craft to work on, which I will show you guys here in a second. So be sure to keep watching so you can find out what she's going to make. Alessimo is a company that sells 3D puzzles that you can either paint or cover with clay, and they were kind enough to send Genesis two of them, a bunny and a unicorn, the Wonder Clay ones, and she is so excited to make them.
Keep the box nice and firm. Comes with clay, a puzzle, accessories, and flashes. Very educational. Get the box, we're gonna open it up. What?
Oh.
Got a little sports card, looks like. Little bunny.
See, that's the bunny.
Right. We got some modeling clay.
And this is for his little scarf. It's gonna be adorable.
An awesome feature is that you can scan the QR code and it takes you to a video of how to make whatever 3D puzzle you have.
Poppy. Ouch.
Oh.
Whoa.
It's going down. Okay,
It's
so
going down. I got to buy. You gotta move. You better dance. Let's make it nice. You won't remember. I'll be the one. You won't forget.
One thing is, this clay feels awesome. It is so soft and it's not sticky or anything, but even my husband was like, this feels like soothing. One thing I love about Alessimo is they are very engaging hands-on activities for your kids. My husband and I love to try to keep our daughter screen-free as much as possible and, using her imagination. So these puzzles are really great for that. And trust me, they will occupy your kid for a while. My husband and daughter spent quite some time doing this, and it was such a great bonding experience for them. They loved this so much.
Here's clay to make his easy belly. Oh, and his ears too.
Okay, that works. Yeah, flatten it out. Good job.
Now we have to make this little purse.
This is the final product. She ended up doing the unicorn a little later on, but aren't these just adorable? They came out so good. Be sure to click the link below so that you can get 15% off your very own Alessimo 3D puzzles. You don't want to miss out on the opportunity to get these 3D puzzles for your kids or grandkids or friends or whatever it may be. Now that the fun is over, back to the cleaning. I know it sucks, but it's got to get done, right? So first I'm going to be starting off in my kitchen. I always start off there, and I'm just going to be unloading my dishes and loading them back up. I tend to always have tons of dishes because I pretty much cook all day long for like every meal.
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone.
For those of you that don't know, I am a homeschool mom, and this is my daughter's first grade curriculum. We have started school, but I definitely need to go through this dresser because this has all of her old curriculums, and I need to make space for her new stuff and probably get rid of her like preschool, kindergarten stuff. I just haven't done that yet, so I just keep throwing it back in the box.
You by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. no matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways.
And that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this speed clean with me.